Hello guys, I just want to share itong ating pasabay with Chibuler. So again, if you have cards na gustong bilhin sa abroad, eBay and many more, so you can check their page, so legit. So Sir Mark, thank you again for this pasabay. So it took us around I think 4 to 5 weeks for this card to arrive. So gusto ko to, and of course yung para sa ating Charizard collection. So check natin guys. So again, medyo tumagal siya. Usually daw it's 4 weeks, but because pina-authenticate pa sa eBay, so pakita ko dyan sa inyo yung authentication. It was authenticated January 23rd, So ayan. Meron pa lang ganun, First time ko nakita ko na ganun. So yan guys, So naano natin, we have this Stormfront. Stormfront Charizard, Ito yung talagang sa mga kulang ko, together with the, of course, first edition. Pinag-iipunan pa natin. And Shining, Yung mga kulang natin yung mga Charizard collection natin. So again, ang ganda ng representation, and again, congratulations on your purchase. May QR siya sa likod So first time ko rin makakita nun, na when you scanned it, yan, papakita ko sa inyo sa screen, na meron siyang parang sa PSA din, when you scan the QR, meron siyang makikita. So tara, check natin yan guys. Tanggalin ko lang sa loob, so pakita ko lang doon yung sinasabi ko. Okay, so ito siya. Hindi, ito yung sinasabi ko na QR. So, pag in-scan yan, papakita ko sa screen. So, ang ganda nung parang sa PSA din. Magkakaroon ng parang redirect sa link to view. Yan. So, void if damage, So, kailangan di siya ma-damage. So, again, ito comes from an eBay box. So, ang ganda presentation. So, again, thank you, Chibuler. Pasabay, So Mark, thank you so much, And again guys, message nyo lang siya if may mga gusto kayong hassle-free, na pagbili. Of course, sila na bahala. May fee sila, of course, but sila na lahat talaga, all for the taxes or anything na other incidental expenses, So may fee lang sila, may quote nila kayo, and then you will pay for it, and then hintayin nyo na lang yung card. So wala nang other expenses. Okay? So thank you so much guys, and again, so much joy and happiness, kasi sa mga chase ko talaga tong Stormfront Charizard Holo. Thank you so much.